given that ABD and BDC triangles in which triangle ABD is similar to BDC, triangle BDC by AA similarity. Here B is 90 degrees and D is 90 degrees and Q also has given 90 degrees. That's why it is a similarity. And what is given? PQ is parallel to PQ is parallel to AB. PQ is parallel to AB. What is this? This is a converse basic proportional theorem. It should be changed into BPT. Changed into BPT. What is that? PQ by AB is equal to QD by BD. QD by BD implies what is given? PQ is given as Z and AB is given as X is equal to QD by BD. This is the equation 1. Next, in BDC PQ is similar to PQ is parallel to PQ is parallel to CD. According to BPT PQ by CD is equal to DQ by BD. Equation number 2. PQ by CD is equal to what is that? It becomes Z by Y. Z by Y is equal to DQ by BD. Is equation 2. By adding 1 and 2, by adding equation 1 and 2, we get what we get? Z by X plus Z by Y is equal to QD by BD plus DQ by BD. Then this is Z by 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to QD plus DQ. QD plus DQ is equal to BD. QD plus DQ is equal to LCM BD is equal to BD and QD plus BD is equal to BD. Therefore BD is equal to 1. Then 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to 1 by Z is the answer. Bracket it and given answer.